Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and the Google Nest Mini just launched in India today. This is basically the second generation of the Google Home Mini. And I'm a pretty big fan of the Google Home devices, so I'm excited to try it out. But first, here's a quick unboxing just so you know what you get in that box. Alright, it's your usual Nest Mini box. You can see that they indicate that this is the second generation right there. Around the sides, you have your usual Nest branding everywhere around with your Google branding as well. On the Indian edition, they do talk about how there's support for Gaana and Netflix and a couple other things as well, just so you know right from the packaging that this is a very capable little device. All right, so yeah, let's open up the box. Okay. All right, so you open up the box. And there you have the Nest Mini. You can see that the design is very similar to the Google Home Mini from last year, except that now you can wall mount this as well. That's pretty appreciated. And yeah, pretty same design. Nothing much majorly changed here. So yeah, just keep that here. All right, what else do we have? Apart from that, you have the quick start guide on how to use your new Google Nest Mini. All right, and then lastly you have the power adapter. It's your usual cute little power adapter that Google comes out with. I love the design of this. It's very minimal but cutesy at the same time. All right, that was a quick unboxing of the new Google Nest Mini that was launched in India today. As always, if you guys have any questions about it, you can let me know right below. All right guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Google Nest Mini. As always, if you have any questions about this, let me know right in the comment section below. Or you can ask me directly on Instagram or Twitter at Clinton Jeff. And hey, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button right below, or maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.